Yes, good afternoon, everyone. Yes, unmute your videos.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good
Why
afternoon, ma'am.
दिव्येंदु क्यों हंसी आ रहा है?
What, ma'am?
Why you are smiling? मतलब वीडियो ऑन होते ही स्माइल, why?
Don't know, ma'am. Don't know.
Is that the answer? Why you are laughing? Don't know, man.
All time, ma'am, I'm laughing.
Then you are mental case. Yes.
Psychological person.
Psychology question. Okay. What were we discussing yesterday? What we have discussed?
Principle of OT.
All the principles of OTs. Yes. You remember me to send me the notes of principle of OT, all those things. Okay. Do you have syllabus with you or not?
Okay, ma'am.
Is there? Okay. Next is we'll see the instruments used in the OT. Okay. What are the instruments? What are the use of it? There are so many instruments, right? N number of instruments which are being used for different purposes. Yes, no? So we'll see few of them and which are mainly used in OT and what is the purpose. For every disease condition, for everything, there are different instruments is being used, right? So we will see few of them. Okay, Akash, अच्छे से सो के उठिए आप. By seeing your face, we can identify, man. Okay.
No, ma'am.
Okay, let me share the screen. Everyone, just have a look on the instruments. Okay. Is it visible?
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone. So this is the swab holding forceps. Can you see? The tip will be having a small tooth. Okay, small tooth which will help you to hold the swabs, the cotton swabs. Okay, by that tooth you will hold the cotton swab for cleaning purposes. Okay, this forceps is mainly used, the Ramfle's forceps is mainly used during the cholecystectomy. What do you mean by that? Have you heard about cholecystectomy?
Yes, ma'am.
What do you
To
mean by
remove
that?
all the gallbladder.
Yes, for remove the gallbladder. You know that there will be a Hartmann's pouch in a gallbladder.
Yes, ma'am.
Because to remove those things, we use this forceps. Okay, the edge one. Can you see the front one? That it will be a small toothed like. Okay, small tooths will be there where the cottons will be grasped. Got it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
This is known as what? Ramfle's swab holding forceps. It's mainly used in to remove the Hartmann pouch during the cholecystectomy. Is that clear? Okay,
Yes,
this
ma'am.
is the Doyen's. I don't think so. You'll be see. This is the Doyen's cross action towel clip. Okay, let's see the uses. It's used to fix a draping towels and it's used in the fixing the diatherapy cables. What do you mean? Have you heard about this word diatherapy?
Yes, ma'am.
Diathermy. Sorry, not diatherapy. Diathermy. What is meaning of that?
It is the one of the type of machine or mechanical
It's type
using
of
for the surgical time.
it's surgical. The diathermy. It is a cable which is used to produce give a heat to the body. Okay, किसी part में अगर हमें heat inject करना है, हम through the diathermy we inject the heat. Okay, for fixing that cable we use this instrument. Doyen's action towel clips like this. Okay, उस केबल को होल्ड करने के लिए भी ये यूज किया जाता है. Understood? And sometimes it's also being used to hold the ribs. Where the ribs will be? Where the ribs are present in your body?
Beside the sternum.
So to hold the ribs also we use this Doyle's cross clips. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
And even for holding the fixing the this one suction tubes. Understood? These and all instruments rarely you will found in you will not found this type of instruments every OT, but yes, some in big medical colleges, all those things, there you can find these types of instruments. Okay. And this is Bart Parker's handles. Can you see like how it's similar to some other instrument? Can you anyone tell me that?
थर्मोमीटर.
Thermometer. किसने guess किया? Good. The Bart Parker's handle, it's the blade, the edge you are seeing, no? The tip. It is of blade, okay? And there are different type of scales also, like sizes also, 10, 11, 12. Okay, it's mainly, iska kya use hai? Mainly it is used in a surgery, brow surgery, eyebrow surgery, you know, there are so many surgeries like brow surgery, lifting surgery. Yes, no, all the cosmetic surgeries. This Bart Parker's used in a browplasty, eyebrowplasty when you do, it is being used for the skin separation. Okay, to do the skin separation, like a slide. You have did in a +2, right? When you put a sample on a slide and when you go to see under the microscope, you use a thin needle type thing, no, to separate the things on the slide. Do you remember like that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
that
ma'am.
is the same thing. It's similar to same thing. To remove the skin or to separate the skin, we use this Bart Parker's. Okay, and it is of different sizes. Then mainly this one is Koch's forceps. You have heard about the Koch's forceps, right?
Yes, ma'am.
This will be, you will found in every OT. Okay. Now, this is mainly used in appendectomy to crush the appendix, all those things. But also, this Koch's forceps used for many purposes. Okay, कुछ भी surgery के लिए जाओ, mainly at least the Koch's forceps should be there. Okay, to hold the, you have seen right, while appendectomy or जब भी कुछ skin निकाल के cut करना हो तो the doctors will hold a forceps. Right, उसको पकड़ के next you will cut. So that the forceps is nothing but Koch's forceps. It is used for every surgery. Okay, for holding the skin. Is that clear? Even it is used
Yes,
for the
ma'am.
thyroidectomy. What do you mean by thyroidectomy?
To remove the thyroid.
For that also it is being used. And what do you mean by meniscus? Meniscus, is anyone? Meniscus is nothing but there will be a tear, a slight tear in the knees. Okay, to remove that, we use this Koch's forceps to hold that skin. Understood? Meniscus is nothing but a tear or a skin tear which appears in a knee. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Next is a mosquito homeostatic forceps. This is mainly used to hold the blood vessels. See, scissors, सब तो scissors जैसा ही दिख रहा है, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So much of confusion. But slight difference it will be once you work in IoT, you will be familiar with that. Okay. Mainly this is used to hold the blood vessels. Okay, and this see, in the infants there will be small blood vessels, right? To hold the minor things, minor vessels and minor skins, we use this mosquito homeostatic forceps. Okay. Next, coming to the sinus, Lister's sinus forceps. It's mainly used to hold the gauze pieces. See. And during the, like whenever you go with an accident or something for a dressing purpose, this is the forceps which is being used to clean or to grab the gauze pieces. Okay.
Yes.
First one, what was the first one we have seen? That is to
Ramping
hold the,
swabs.
yes, that is to hold the cotton swabs. Okay. And yes, cotton and gauze piece are same or different?
Different.
So this is used for the gauze piece. Okay. Hold the gauze piece. Next is the Alice tissue forceps, and this is also the one of the famous forceps. Okay, see the edge, the tip of the forceps will be the toothed one. Okay, और forceps में वो sharp tooth नहीं रहता है, लेकिन इसमें sharp tooth will be there. And it also used to hold the skin. Got it? Alice forceps. Mainly when there will be the overlapping of the skin, at that time we use this Alice forceps, like used to pick up the fold of a peritoneum. What do you mean by peritoneum?
It is the one of the layer of abdominal layer.
So while holding that, anything, first thing to hold the skin, we use this Alice forceps. Okay. When there will be overlapping, जब layers का skin जब ज़्यादा रहता है, so to hold that layers, we use this Alice tissue forceps. Is that clear? And this is the plain dissecting forceps. Yes, this dissecting forceps you might have seen in a +2.
Yes, ma'am.
Dissect जो चीज hold करने के लिए use करते हैं. Yes, right? When you put something in a slide, you hold the things. Can you hold by your hand and put in the slide? No, to the forceps only you will hold and you'll put in a slide. So same thing, you will for the dissecting of or to hold the blood vessels or any type of small minute particles to hold, we use this dissecting forceps, and it will be plain, no toothed one, no sharp blades. Okay.
Yes.
After once you cut the skin, to hold this, we use this plain dissecting forceps. Okay. Then this is the toothed dissecting one. This one is a plain dissecting one, which we use the minute particles or a blood vessels, all those things after the cut. This is the toothed dissecting forceps. The same thing, the tip of the forceps will be tooth one. Okay, minute tooth will be present. If you touch, you will feel the sharpness over there. And this is used to hold the rough structure. Okay, this is used to, after once you cut this for plain dissecting forceps, it will help to hold. Okay, cut होने के बाद hold करने के लिए plain dissector help होता है. Whereas in a tooth dissecting forceps, during the surgery you have to hold it what hardly, right? Skin जब cut होता रहता है वो soft रहता है, right? Soon after the surgery, when you want to suture it tightly, you have to hold the skin. For that we use this toothed one. Okay, the tooth will help to grab the skin. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Got the difference, plain and toothed one?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
next one is the health suture cutting scissor. See, once you do after the surgery, after the suturing, you will stitch. After that, You have witnessed, right? Suture को remove करते हैं, scissors से काटते हैं. Yes or no? And sometimes it will be dissolved. The sutures will be dissolved. But for the cutting purpose, we use this scissor. Okay. Then this is Morris retractor. Have you seen this?
No, ma'am.
कभी नहीं देखे हो. It is same as Morris retractor is also similar to that of Doyne's retractor. It's mainly used during the cesarean session. Okay, जब layers of stomach has been cut, when you cut the abdomen, to hold the abdomen, you will use this retractor. इसको ढाल के abdomen के अंदर ढाल के, you will extract, you will separate the skin. Okay, ये जो starting point है, this edge will be inserted inside the stomach. Okay, and the back side, you are seeing the round shape, no, that you will hold in a hand. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
जब डीपर लेयर कट करते हैं और ज्यादा लेयर जब उसको होल्ड करना पड़ता है, you can't hold with a forceps or a retractor, right? Can you hold with a retractor or no? Can you hold with a forceps?
No.
You can't hold, no, so much. Agar big layer of a skin, agar small layer of a skin means yes, you can use a forceps or you can use anything. But in a case of a larger thing, because during the cesarean session, so many layers of the skin will be having cut, right? So deeper layer you will cut. In that case, the large amount of skin has to be holded. So for that, we use this Morris retractor. Okay. And this is also a type of retractor. S shape. It is also used in the cholecystectomy. Okay, these are the instruments used to help in the retracting the abdominal wall. Yes, जब ज़्यादा layer को तुम्हें retract करना है, elaborate करना है, उस time we use this also. Okay, it's mainly used in a cholecystectomy. Getting?
Yes,
इतना सब कुछ खाली diagram
Yes,
देखोगे तो पता
ma'am.
चल जाएगा. At least you will not feel every uses you can't remember. At least by seeing the instruments you can at least get an idea what is in use for. एक use याद रखोगे तो it's more than enough. Okay, it is a Lehman's right angle forceps. सब similar ही है. Yes, no? The Lehman's right angle forceps. It is also used for in a cholecystectomy. Even this is mainly used in a thyroid surgeries. To dissect in the sense to cut. Okay, to cut the layers or to cut the thyroid veins, you use this Lehman's right angle forceps. Understanding or feeling bored? And this is the right rubber catheter. Is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone have seen
Yes,
the
ma'am.
catheter, right, in hospital?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the catheter is made up of? Plastic or what?
Rubber.
rubber, ma'am.
Rubber. So this is the one type of catheter. This is same used for the draining the urine, and also sometimes during the chemotherapy we use this rubber catheter for administrating of medicines. Okay. What is the normal size of a catheter for adults? The catheter used for adults. What is the size? The same catheter which we use for adults, can we use for a child?
No, ma'am.
Then what is the normal catheter, not normal size of a catheter? for adult?
14.
See, this is the rubber catheter we can use for draining the urine, but you can't put it for a longer time. Okay, only this is used for only for medical purpose, only to inject some medications for the bladder. Is that clear? This is the Foley's catheter which we regularly use for a patient to drain out the urine. Everyone know to insert the catheter?
Yes, ma'am.
Good.
Yes.
Yes, why we use the catheter?
To remove the urination.
For which patient we use this catheter?
Mainly, basically, bedridden patient.
Yes, the bedridden patients who are unable to go to the washroom. Then who else?
Or surgery patient who are
Surgery
going to
patients.
surgery.
And even the patients with any disease condition or having urine incontinence. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
For them also
Yes,
we use the catheter. And this one, ये तो सबने देखा होगा.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes, anyone who didn't see? You have not witnessed this one in the hospital?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone has witnessed, right? This is the kidney tray. For what the kidney tray is being used? Why we use the kidney trays?
To collect the specimen.
To collect the specimens, and also to collect when after the any needle prick or anything, the sharp edges has to be kept in a kidney tray, right? You can't throw in a patient bedside or you can't throw somewhere. You have to put, when you do a procedure beside the patient, all the discarding things, all the swabs or needles, whatever you use to the patient, you have to put it in a kidney tray. Okay, understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we'll share the next one. These things I will share you in a group so that you can have a look on that. Okay, everyone understood the instruments?
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
There's end the instrument, and next is the suture. What do you mean by suture? Yes, anyone? What do you mean by suture?
It is the one of the procedure to when the patient injury or any tissue cutting and joining.
Suture,
to
yes, suture in a
using that.
lay word, suture is nothing but stitch. Yes, no? The series
Yes,
of
ma'am.
stitches to in order to close the cut part. We call it as suture. Okay. It might be a surgical procedure, or that might be because of any surgery, or that might be due to any wound or anything. Wherever there is a major cut of a skin, to bring back to a normal position, we suture it, we stitch it to get it into a normal position. That is nothing but suture. Got it? And there are, do you know that how many types of suture materials do we have?
Yes, ma'am.
Majorly what things there are two types of suture material, right? Which will absorb easily in the body and non-absorbable, which we have to cut and remove the sutures as two types, which it automatically it will get melted after a few days of time. Other one is which we have to cut and open it. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
The suture materials are the artificial fibers, okay, which is made up of the natural one, which is synthesized, and which will sometimes the scars will go off. Scars means marks. Okay, the suture sometimes the suture marks stay back, That depends upon the material we use. Yes, no, we have seen, no, the patient with the cesarean session. देखा है, marks रहता है कुछ दिनों के लिए. The scars remains there itself. Why? Due to the material we use for suturing. Okay, but sometimes you have seen the some sutures, it will dissolve itself, it will not be visible, right? After the after few days the suture scars will disappear. Okay, that is also due to the material or the fibers which we use for suturing. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Then we'll see the goals of suturing. What will be the goal of suturing? Why we want to do suturing?
To avoid for the
Suppose
healing
someone has
process.
met with an road traffic accident. Okay, he have cut in his leg and the bleeding is being continued, and he have a tear in his leg. What you will do, whether the suture is required or not, or you will leave the patient, let him die?
Required.
Yes, in that cases where the major injury has been happened to the skin, there we need to do a suture. Okay, to provide adequate tension, maintain the hemostasis, and for the main thing is for wound healing. Okay, and suture is also required for avoiding infection. Yes, there are so many wounds which then where we don't require suturing. Yes, every wound requires suture or what?
No, ma'am.
No,
जो भी
ma'am.
छोटा मोटा भी wound होता है, whether we do the suturing? No, only the major wounds we do the suturing. Yes, where जब हमें पता रहता है कि ये wound अपने आप से heal नहीं होगा, ये अपने आप से skin joint नहीं होगा, there we will do the suturing. Okay, in order to avoid the wound infection also. See, these all are the two types how we do the suturing. This is monofilament suture, like straight it will be. Okay, can you see the blue one where you
Yes,
cannot
ma'am.
find out the suture itself? Okay, and this another one is the braided suture, the multifilament. Okay, here the black one, crisscross, cross way tightly they will do a suturing. Okay, this is a monofilament and these are the two types of sutures. Got it? Shall we
Yes, ma'am.
continue or shall we stop here itself? Because there are so many things in the suture. It will not finish today. Okay, tomorrow we'll see what are the instruments used for suturing and what are the materials used, how we will be using all those things. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
कैसे suturing करता है, क्या क्या material use करते हैं. Okay, all those things we'll see in tomorrow class. No, tomorrow Monday class. Okay, understanding? Boring topic.
Yes, ma'am.
Preoperative surgery. Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Yes, I am feeling boring, man. Who said no, ma'am? Akash, you're not feeling bored. Okay, I will send you the notes. Write it down. Okay, and if you don't understand, let me know. Is that clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Now the n number of sounds will come. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. While asking the question, no answers, no sounds will come in. Why? Everyone is in a tired mood. सुबह से class सुन के.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, then we'll see it on Monday. Okay.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
বাড়ি গেছে রে ম্যাডাম। আকাশ জানা হোস্ট।